Talk about an epic fail. 95% of people that try don't make a dime online. Crazy, considering technology and the massive growth in online spending. The really sad part? Most gurus offering so-called systems for earning online blame you if they don't work. You didn't do things right. You've got shiny object syndrome. It can take a long time for results. But what if it's not you, but the system? 95% of people that try aren't making money online. That's a fact. So why follow the systems that they are failing with? Hey, this is Anthony Mancuso, and my partner Paul Nichols and I each consistently make six figures every year, thanks to the internet. There's a small but very important difference in our approach. You see, instead of trying to make money online, we use the internet as a tool to drive profits. Why chase gimmicks or loopholes that might work today and stop working tomorrow? Why not tap the internet for what it does best, getting you free traffic? Then using that free traffic to make profits selling anything you want. Well, we've been using this unique approach for over 2 years now, and here are just some of the results. Let's be 100% clear. Both Paul and I are using this exact method to profit right now. There's no guessing, fluff, or outdated theory. This works, and we can prove it. See for yourself just how much I made in the past month. That's autopilot income that takes just minutes per day to make. Welcome to Compoundly, the automated method for compounding your profits. You won't need any tech skills or previous experience. And if you're an experienced marketer, this is hands down the easiest and fastest way to set up additional income streams. You can be making passive profits consistently in as little as 24 hours from right now. You'll be surprised at how simple it is and be shocked at how powerful the results are. The key for using the internet to make money comes down to just two things. The first is traffic. Unlike what many of the gurus say, we believe 100% free traffic is the way to go. Why pay for ads when you don't have to? Second, the part most marketers forget is conversions. Traffic is nice, but sales are what put money in your pocket. Most marketers seem happy with conversions between 2 and 9%. Well, to make serious money with conversions like that, you'll need boatloads of traffic, which is going to cost you a lot of cash, time, or both. Compoundly lets us convert traffic into sales at about a 50% average rate, a rate unheard of by most marketers out there. Meaning, you make much higher profits in much less time and from much less effort. This is the easiest way to use the internet to make money. While your competition is throwing more cash and time into chasing traffic, you'll be cleaning up in a fraction of the time without paying for ads. Inside Compoundly, you'll find everything you need to start making $187 or more per day. Then, we'll show you exactly how to scale up to game-changing profits, so you too can make paydays of $800, $1,400, and even more. So you'll have a blueprint for turning this into six figures and enjoying hands-free income from anywhere in the world. The unique Compoundly method has been battle-tested and perfected for over 2 years. It works better now than ever before. It's completely evergreen and it works in any niche. How? Compoundly delivers quality traffic 24/7 without paying for ads. Compoundly converts traffic into profits like nothing you've ever seen before. Plus, Compoundly instantly positions you as a trusted authority, so you turn more prospects into buyers and more buyers into lifetime customers. Remember, all of this happens with zero experience or tech skills. It's 100% beginner friendly. The best thing is the discount. When you act now, you get the complete, untapped, never before shared Compoundly method for making $187 or more per day, starting in as little as 24 hours. And the simple steps to scale this up to job crushing income for a fraction of its real world value. Here's the deal. Paul and I plan on releasing Compoundly shortly to our VIP students at a minimum of $497. Because even at that price, it's a steal. But when you hit the button on the page below, you'll get complete access for a massive discount. Fair warning, the price is going up fast. So if you wait, you'll pay more later or possibly miss out altogether. If, like so many, you've been burned before, let's make this an even easier decision. Paul and I will take on all the risk on your small, one-time investment and offer you a 30-day, unconditional money-back guarantee. Pick up Compoundly now, use it to profit for a full 30 days, and if in the unlikely event you're not blown away, get 100% of your money back. We're happy to offer this guarantee because we are confident that you will get results with this proven method. Plus, we're including a number of high-valued bonuses to take your results to the next level. But the bonuses are only open to early action takers. The only way for you to lose is by missing out on your chance to pick up Compoundly at this huge discount. You could keep chasing the shiny buttons 95% of failing marketers are trying, or you could unlock Compoundly and simply copy what's been proven to work for over 3 years. Check out the full details below. See the verified proofs and testimonials from beta testers that show this is the real deal. Then grab your discounted access now, and we'll see you on the inside.